Hey guys, it's Ashley. I am super excited. Today I'm here with Succulents Box. This is a monthly succulent subscription box, if you can't tell by the name. It comes in this fun box. Isn't it pretty? It's very like classy looking, elegant, designed well. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. You can choose one from either one up all the way up to 4 succulents a month. They have a curated selection. You can also choose one airplant. It's $4 for each. So if you get 2 plants, it's $8. 3 plants, it's $12 and $16 for 4, obviously. Shipping is calculated at checkout. They are having a Labor Day sale. Use code LABOR18 for 15% off all orders. So you can go on their site and get that because it's, Labor Day's coming. All right, and then I did say shipping is calculated at checkout, so it depends on where you live within the United States. So there it is. We're going to get in here. Now, this is like super, I've done succulent boxes in the past. This is super well packaged. Probably the best sleep packaged the best. So there's peanuts here. I'm going to have fun cleaning this up afterwards. All right. Oh, so this is looks like 3, possibly 4. I think 3. And they say they ship them out within 2 to 5 days of your order, or like there's a 2 to 5 day delivery, because a succulent, you know, you don't have to, they're pretty good. They're all right, you know, for a couple days without feeding. I should know. Are you scratching over there? Okay, if I could open this. I have scissors somewhere. Where are they? Okay. You gotta be careful, right? Because you don't want to hurt your plant. They do have also, there's a little booklet here we'll look at once I'm done. And then on their website, they tell you the month selections. Oh my gosh, if I could, oh, dirt, there's dirt. Oh no. I'm on my bed. I'm going to have fun in there tonight. Anyway, I'm over the box right now. Oh Lord. Oh Lordy. All right, so there is our, it's got dirt on it. Oh, but look at how well they packaged it. So they have, I don't know what this is called. We're going to have to find out together. But they have tissue paper all around so the dirt tries not to come out. But, you know, shipping a plant is not exactly the easiest thing in the world. So this is kind of fuzzy. I don't know if it's like, you can see that. And it comes in a really, these like plastic, these are really nice. You can actually use these and then just put them all on one tray. And it's perfect. So there's that. All right, let's go to our second. I'm just sitting it in there like really carefully. Okay. Oh, look, this one's got an orange case. All right. We know it's going to have dirt coming out, so now we know. Now we know, right? It's more like it's not a dirt, it's more like this sawdust. It's not though, you know what I mean? Like it's got this like a very fine grain to it or something. I'm just gonna cut around that whole baby. Ooh, baby, baby. All right. What's going on here? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, so it's a little dusty. It's got dirt on it. Can we see it? It looks almost like, I just want to be gentle. So it's a little like cactus type plant, but it's got dirt all over right now. Check out the full review if you want to see them like in their full glory. They will look perfect and beautiful as they should. But it's like a little cactus. You have to see my succulents I have. They grow so much. You don't think that these little plants will grow as much as they do, but they do. And when they get big, they really start popping up. It's crazy. Because they're so foreign to like where I live. I live in Pennsylvania, so we don't really have this sort of plant naturally here. So they're kind of like alien, you know, it's like an alien plant. And to see them grow and thrive is interesting. They're great for like windowsills. I keep them by my back door. So you can see they're packaged well. And then I do believe if anything comes dead or you have an issue with it, they will send you a replacement. So this is a really cute little guy. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. I love it. Oh, now let's look at our, so those are our 3 that we received. Let's look at our little insert here. This is our instructions, care instructions, 15% off your order with love plants. That's another coupon code. All right, does it tell us the plants we received? Okay, so that, this one is the Supervivum calcarum. And then that first one, Calancho tomentosa. I love how interesting these are. I go out and I look for succulents. I never find ones that look like this. They always look very common, like the ones you imagine. And then this other one is Supervivum cobweb. Oh no, that's the first one because it has that like kind of webbing on it. And this one is the Supervivum calcarum. So that is everything that I received in my succulents box. I am going to put really good pictures on my full review so you guys can check them out if you're interested. I will link to that below. I will also link to succulents box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.